Ton 618, the monster we call the largest black hole in the universe. 66 billion times the mass of our sun, a cosmic nightmare that could swallow our entire solar system and barely notice. We were wrong. Something bigger was waiting in the shadows. Something that makes Ton 618 look small. Hidden in the Phoenix cluster, 5.8 billion light years from Earth, astronomers found it. They named it Phoenix A. This is not just a black hole. This is a primordial behemoth, an abyss that breaks our understanding of physics. Phoenix A weighs 100 billion solar masses. Let that sink in. 100 billion suns compressed into a singularity. If you replaced our sun with Phoenix A, the event horizon would extend past Neptune, past Pluto, past the Kuiper belt where comets sleep in frozen darkness. The boundary of this monster would reach 590 billion kilometers from the center. That distance is incomprehensible. Light takes 3 weeks just to cross from one side to the other. 3 weeks of traveling at light speed, across nothing but the edge of a black hole. Our entire Milky Way galaxy is 100,000 light years across. Phoenix A could fit our solar system inside its event horizon 100 times over. It makes galaxies look like dust particles. You cannot visualize this scale. Your brain refuses. Evolution did not prepare you to understand objects this massive. Phoenix A should not exist. Standard physics tells us black holes form when massive stars collapse. The biggest stars create black holes maybe 100 times the sun's mass. That is the normal limit. Even supermassive black holes at galaxy centers took billions of years to grow. They consumed gas, stars, smaller black holes, slow feeding over cosmic time. Phoenix A is different. It weighs as much as an entire galaxy of stars. How does something this massive form? Theory 1. Black hole mergers. Maybe Phoenix A was born when dozens of supermassive black holes collided in the early universe. Each merger doubled the mass, a cosmic snowball effect. Theory 2. Primordial origin. Maybe Phoenix A formed directly from the collapse of a massive gas cloud in the first billion years after the Big Bang, before normal stars even existed. Either way, Phoenix A is a relic, a monster from the dawn of time. It has been feeding for billions of years. Imagine falling toward this thing. With smaller black holes, tidal forces rip you apart before you reach the event horizon. Your feet experience stronger gravity than your head. The difference stretches you into atomic spaghetti. Death is instant. Phoenix A is different. The tidal forces near its event horizon are gentle. The black hole is so massive that gravity changes smoothly across your body. You would cross the point of no return without feeling anything unusual. No pain, no warning, just silence. You would drift in total darkness for days, maybe weeks. The event horizon behind you, the singularity ahead. Nothing else exists, just you and the infinite void. This is the true terror of Phoenix A. You survive the crossing, you remain conscious, you fall through an abyss larger than solar systems. Your mind has time to understand what is happening. Then the tidal forces grow, slowly at first, then faster. By the time you realize something is wrong, escape is impossible. It has always been impossible. The singularity waits at the center, infinite density, infinite gravity. Physics stops making sense. Space and time swap places. You reach the point where the universe breaks. Phoenix A sits at the heart of its galaxy cluster. It shapes everything around it. Hot gas falls inward at thousands of kilometers per second. X-rays scream from the accretion disk. Jets of plasma shoot outward at nearly light speed. This monster has consumed more mass than most galaxies will ever contain. It will keep feeding for trillions of years. It will outlast stars. It will outlast galaxies. Gravity always wins in the universe. Matter clumps together, gas collapses, stars form and die. Everything falls toward everything else. Phoenix A is the ultimate expression of this law. It is gravity incarnate, the final boss of cosmic evolution. And we are lucky. 5.8 billion light years is far enough. The light reaching us now left Phoenix A when Earth was young, when the first complex life was just beginning to evolve in our oceans. That distance protects us. Phoenix A cannot reach us. Its gravity is powerful but finite. Space itself expands faster than its influence can spread. But knowing it exists, changes something. Somewhere in the universe, there is a void so deep that it swallows light for weeks, a singularity so massive it bends reality itself. Phoenix A is not just a black hole, it is proof that the universe can create things beyond comprehension. Things that should not exist but do anyway. The abyss is real, and it is watching.